Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix Valorant TPM error event ID 14 in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To fix Valorant TPM error event ID 14 in Windows 11 computer, go to search. In search, type gpedit, click on edit group policy. In local group policy editor, under computer configuration, expand administrative template, then expand Windows component, then expand BitLocker driver encryption, and then click on operating system drives. Here you will find an setting require additional authentication at startup. Now right click on it and click on edit. Just click on enabled and select allow all options here. Allow TPM, allow startup pin with TPM, allow startup key with TPM, and then allow startup key and pin with TPM. Now just click on apply and then click on OK. Now the group policy settings is enabled. Now close the group policy editor and then right click on start menu, click on run. In run, type percentage temp percentage. Now click on OK. Now select all temporary and delete the temporary. Now close File Explorer. Then you need to restart your computer. Click on Start menu, click on Power, and then click on Restart. After restarting the computer, Valorant TPM error has been fixed in my Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.